Ikot muna tayo. Haba pa ng oras. Okay, I just made it into the immigration. And guys, ito mo tayo pumesto kasi walang tao. And while we are waiting for the 11:30 flight to Emirates. Ano po muna tayo. So, hinintay ko muna makapasok kasi ang dami kong dala and very heavy yung bag ko. So, before we passed, check-in muna ako and then I submitted some of the documents. Yung mga tinanong ng immigration officer is the flight ticket, saan ako pupunta, and then the hotel booking, how many days ako stay, and sang lugar ako pupunta, and also yung company ID and the COE. Then yun na, good to go na. So while we are waiting for our flight, upo muna tayo dito and then ikot-ikot muna sa loob ng gate. Emirates. Yan, so we're going to Cairo after 8 hours layover. So yung sasakyan natin, Emirates EK921 from Dubai to Cairo.
Officially folded and sewn, armrests should be down, window blinds in the open position and your seatbelt securely fastened. Any laptops should be switched off and safely stowed and your personal electronic devices should flight mode or switched off. We strongly recommend you use the safety card in your seat pocket to ensure you're aware of.
So guys, we just arrived here in Egypt after so many hours of flight. Grabe. So we are now here in Cairo International Airport. Oh my gosh. 27 hours of trip. Welcome to Egypt. Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. So, ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog ng maayos. Nandito ako ngayon sa Hurghada Airport. Kararating ko lang. And it's very late in the evening. So, ayun. So, hindi ako nakapag-vlog sa loob ng airport kasi bawal. Tsaka, mahigpit yung mga airports nila dito sa Egypt. And also, medyo exhausting or very stressful. Kinda stressful yung trip. Kasi 27 hours. Tapos, ilang plane yung sinakyan ko. Kasi ang sinakyan ko Emirates. So, yung flight nun is Manila to Dubai. Tapos, Dubai to Cairo. Yung Dubai to Cairo, ang waiting time ng connecting flight niya is around 8 hours. So, nagpahinga muna tayo dun sa loob ng Dubai Airport. Then, Cairo to Hurghada naman yung next via Egypt Air. That's around 1 hour trip. Yan. So, kung susumahin mo lahat, that's around 27 hours nga. And dito sa Egypt, hindi sila madalas card. So, they always need cash. Cash basis lagi sila dito. So, dapat ready ka din doon. Ayan. So, hindi ako nakapag-vlog masyado kasi nga, nakakapagod yung trip. And, isi-share ko sa inyo ng maayos yung proseso nung pagpasok ko sa immigration and yung process nung pag-asikaso also ng visa dito sa Egypt. Abangan niyo ako sa next trip. Bye-bye!